hopefully you've been practicing and you'll actually now be at the stage where you can do this circular breathing method with the air. So we started using a glass of water, and now what I'm suggesting we do is we use our finger against our lips in a way to create a back pressure like as if we're playing the didgeridoo. Like that. So we're letting the cheeks puff out, and we've got something to push against when we're playing. What we'll do now is we'll grab a didge and we'll transfer this onto the didge. To make the transition a little bit easier to get onto the didge, you can continue to keep your finger as back pressure against your lips, and then just place the didgeridoo against the back of your finger and then slide it out so that your lips are actually on the didge. Sometimes that just makes it a little bit easier to make that transition so that you can get those full cycles going on the didge. Now let's just have a closer look at the actual cycle itself. Okay, so here we have the full cycle. We have the in breath on this side and we have the out breath on that side. So we start here with our pause with full cheeks and empty lungs, and we breathe in through the nose and squeeze out with our cheeks just like we did with the glass of water. Then on this side we blow out, and basically we're playing didge on the out breath. As you're blowing out, let your cheeks puff out and grab that mouthful of air in your cheeks before you stop, so that when you pause you should have full cheeks and empty lungs. Then once again squeezing with the cheeks and breathing in through the nose, you come up to the pause here with empty cheeks and full lungs, and then blowing out, playing didge again, letting the cheeks puff out, grabbing a mouthful of air, pause, in breath, squeeze and breathe, pause, blow out, grab the mouthful of air, pause, and round as you go. So let's slow this cycle right down and place our pauses in there purposefully. So we're starting down here with a pause, we're doing the in-breath part of the cycle, then we're pausing at the top and we're changing gears mentally, and we're blowing out, just playing didge basically. And as we blow out, we let the cheeks puff out with the back pressure so that we've got a packet of air in our cheeks that we can grab at the bottom when we do our pause just before the in-breath. Then once again, we do the in-breath where we squeeze and breathe in through the nose, and we pause at the top and we blow out and we play didge again. So really what we're doing is when we're blowing out, we're simply playing didge, and when we're doing the in-breath part of the cycle, we're doing exactly what we were doing with the glass of water. And after a while you'll be able to do it without the pauses in there. It'll just come naturally more and more. So one thing that can happen when you're doing this is as you're blowing out you can start to get a note, and as crazy as it sounds, sometimes it can actually put you off. So don't let that happen. Make your focus on the circular breathing side of things, and as you do this you'll find that the note will come in more and more into the cycle until ultimately you'll actually be circular breathing and playing the didgeridoo, and obviously you've got to where you want to be. Next time what I want to look at is I want to change the focus from the circular breathing side of it to more so the sound of the didgeridoo side of it, the playing side of it. So we're still incorporating the circular breathing into it, but our focus is going to be on actually getting a quality note so that we're playing and circular breathing. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.